Glaciers full of worries, your mind creates can be melted fast by the moves you make. Down by the common sense, touch the one that matters now. You know the rest are barely good.
Steven Z Killer has become powerful. His channel has hit over 100,000 subscribers. He keeps getting stronger and has more room to grow, so subscribe to Steven Z Killer today.
What's up, everybody? Steven Z Killer here, bringing some more. Honestly, I'm kind of shocked I'm doing more of these, but you know what? The court case is very popular. Everyone's still talking about Johnny Depp versus Amber Turd. Amber Heard, and a bunch of other things. I've been seeing some stuff here and there. I've been keeping up a little bit on the case myself. Not gonna lie, as I see it, based off everything I know, Amber is just lying out of her fucking teeth, completely. Like, she ignores things, evidence, and she just keeps pushing. No more delay, let's get into these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed to see it today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Let's get it.
Ms. Heard, did Ms. Van Ray come out after that article came in and make a public statement it was false? Of course she did.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay. Your Honor, I move to
no.
admit the statement and the article as redacted.
Objection, hearsay.
It's her statement.
This is not her statement. This is some.
She just testified, Your Honor, that it's her statement. Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Oh!
Your Honor, I object because she has left out the next two lines from Ms. Heard that clarify even further, and I also think
Ms.
that Dr.
Bredehoff,
Cowan's.
Your Honor,
You know what I love? You know what I love is the fact that Miss Amber fucking's team always doesn't want people to do anything clarifying, like especially when it came to Johnny clarifying anything. Objection, hearsay. Objection, hearsay. Objection. But when it's reversed, they get fucking, they fumble their words, they get frustrated, and they get irritated.
this approach. This is.
If you only have foundation.
Do you know whether the records, medical records from your EMT were produced in discovery?
Objection, Your Honor. Correct?
You need to put your microphone.
I think I kind of know. I heard a little bit about this part. I believe she got like something like 40 or 50 like huge wins by doing objections, and they were sustained, so that their objections just went through, but the other team couldn't get barely could get more than like a handful, like maybe like 1 or 2 to 5 at most. But she just kept ripping them a new one. I kept hearing about.
Thank you.
Objection, Your Honor. Improper impeachment. There, she's going to ask her question, then she has to show where that was, and then.
Overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Thank
Do
you.
you recall? I'm trying.
She's ready.
What?
252A.
Any objection?
I dare you.
Could you turn your microphone again? I'm sorry.
Objection leading. Let's look at the transcript. So you testified on page. I'm getting there. So Ms. Heard, I'm only going to.
You're not going to object to asking questions while I'm looking at this.
All right. If you could give her a moment, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
I'm only going to ask her about the text messages on the screen. Ms. Bredehoff.
Come on, lady. You're wasting time.
I'm having trouble seeing this. Can you?
Oh my fucking god!
Sorry, what were the lines?
Page 589, lines 6 through 8.
Wait. Did you say 540 or
589, lines 6 through 8.
All right. Thank you.
She was goddamn pretty clear of what number she said, and you were 100 off. Whoa! Breaking news, guys, watching this video right now. I know I just interrupted what we were watching together, but I have to let you guys in on this. Guys, we are closing into 200,000 subscribers. I know we get this goal, and there's plenty of you watching right now that aren't subscribed. How do I know this? Because of this right here, showing 77% of you guys watching are not subscribed. You guys hitting that subscribe button helps me get to this goal, helps my channel, and just in general shows the support. And if you guys enjoy what you see here today, check out more on the channel, and hopefully you do hit that subscribe button today, that either new or returning viewers that are part of this 77% that aren't subscribed. I hope you change that today. Also guys, there are a few of you who haven't hit that like button, so as we get back to the video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you guys there. Let's get it.
I have no objection, Your Honor. Do you recall that?
Objection,
Good.
Your Honor. And Miss Lloyd's deposition testimony was played earlier in this trial, right?
I'm going to object, Your Honor.
All right.
Page 372, lines 5 to 377, line 1 is what I have.
12. Line 12.
Brand new trial exhibit, so I don't
You just handed her the note, and she corrected to help you. You're so bad. You're so bad.
have it. I'd like an unredacted copy.
A new trial exhibit, so I don't have it. I'd like.
The next thing that I'm going to play to
Your Honor?
you
Okay.
as Hugh.
Oh, you want to come?
Your Honor? Maybe we can stop it.
Don't look at me.
If we could please play.
I'm sorry.
I checked, and I have no objection to the entirety of
All
356
right,
coming
so
in.
356 is
So
entirety.
shush.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Objection, leading, and hearsay.
Your Honor, may we approach?
That's fine.
You all have got to stop calling each other sluts and whores. It just makes it okay for guys to call you sluts and whores.
All right, that was an interesting choice. What the fuck? That's how it ends? Okay. This one was sent to me. Jason Momoa takes the stand in Johnny Depp Amber Heard's trial. And it's a dub, apparently. So this is probably just going to be a huge meme thing.
All right, your next witness.
Oh shoot, I didn't know we were starting yet. Wait, almost got it. Perfect spot.
Okay, could you please state your full name?
Yeah, I am Jason Momoa.
Mr. Momoa, do you know Amber Heard?
Oh, God.
I do. Hi, Amber.
Don't talk to her. So how do you know Amber?
We work together on Aquaman.
So you work together as actors, right?
No, as janitors. Ah!
Mr. Momoa, you have to take this serious. He's not a janitor, he's actually Aquaman. Would you say you felt safe around Amber on the set?
This kind of reminds me of bad lip reading. I'm just going to say that right now.
Sure, I guess.
So there was not even one incident.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
Why? What happened?
Well, Amber and I were in the pool recording a scene. It was just the two of us. And she pointed at the water and said, "Look at that beautiful brown fish."
So what seems to be the issue? I'm not following.
Any wildlife in the water would be computerized, so that wasn't a brown fish.
I don't understand. Then what was it?
Well, it was, shall I say, Amber's turn.
This is really
Mr.
cheesy.
Momoa, how do you even know what that was? Did you even take a picture of Amber's turd?
No, I didn't.
So do you have any evidence?
What the hell's going on with this guy?
Look up. Yeah, here it is.
A replica of a turd?
Does that look like a fish? Nope. Man, how did that even come out of her body? Ah! Oh, man. Subscribe to Geo Film.
Alrighty then, that was interesting. So this right here was the moment where Johnny's lawyers officially did say Amber Turd in court.
So you testified that you reviewed a number of hashtags that you deemed were negative towards Ms. Heard. That's right?
Yes.
Yeah. And
By the way, what I got from this, though, this guy came in with all these statistics and a bunch of other stuff on hashtags and how they affected Amber's popularity and everything and stuff like that. And he got basically fucking destroyed by Johnny's team, like completely. This guy was kind of just a waste of time.
You picked at least the negative ones. Justice for Johnny Depp. That's one of them, right?
That's right.
Amber Heard is an abuser. That's one of them.
That is one of them.
We just don't like you, Amber. That's one of them.
That is one of them.
And the last one was Amber Turd, right?
That is another one.
Okay. Amber Heard is an abuser, and Amber Turd first appeared in 2016, correct?
The way he emphasizes Amber Turd. I'm sorry. No matter what, that's forever sticking. Her legal name is no longer Amber Heard. It is Amber Turd. The judge should... if the judge sentences it, it's real. I hope so. I know I'm bullshitting there, but imagine Johnny wins. She has to pay Johnny all the fucking money, and her name is now legally Amber Turd. Calling it now.
I don't recall, actually.
Right. Do you recall if there was any portion of Mr. Waldman's statement that made any reference to Amber Turd?
Not that I've seen.
Oh my god. It's just so funny to hear it. It's funny to hear it. Alright, this is the last one I have. This is more of Johnny Depp's team being savages in court. So, this one's probably the longest video, so let's get it.
All relatives.
All relatives. Like, another thing is, there's just such a higher percentage of everybody just now on the side of Johnny. And even the people that started off as, I would say a good portion of the people that were on side of Amber have jumped ship.
Anyway, Johnny became upset with me for judging him. He was...
That's another thing. She stutters so fucking much. And sighs a lot.
He said some disgusting things to me. I don't know if I need to repeat it.
Okay, let's go. Michelle, can you bring up Defendant's Exhibit 1090?
You don't know you can repeat it. I don't think you know what to say.
What the co-star said. Just tell us what your communication was with Mr. Depp.
Objection, hearsay. Her communications are hearsay.
People could invite me.
The look of, I want her dead.
To a concert in a platonic way. I tried to say that it was fine.
Objection, hearsay.
Do I have that redaction, or is that something you need to give?
I like how she just instantly puts on the puppy dog eyes the moment she looks either at the judge or the jury. Like, when it's looking at anybody outside of that, it's fake cry, standard robot stare. But when it comes to the jury or judge, it's instant puppy dog eyes.
I think we're going to need to give it to you a hard copy.
All right.
Right. Thank you, Your Honor. And if
I found out that he was in a hotel room with Paul Bettany.
Objection, hearsay.
move forward. 'Cause
when he came home, they had to carry him home.
Objection, hearsay.
Did you see them
I
carry
watched
him?
it.
Okay. Did you have any contact with Lily Rose that led to any discussions with Mr. Depp?
Objection, leading.
What, if any, communications did you have with Lily Rose in November 2013?
Objection, calls her hearsay, leading.
What, if any?
Here's a little bit more context of how fucking roasted her team got.
Saying anything she said.
Objection, hearsay.
What, if any, interaction did you have with Lily Rose that led to an argument with Mr. Depp?
Objection, leading.
Did you have an argument with Mr. Depp relating to Lily Rose in November 2013?
Yes.
Can you please describe that?
Well, I was, and Lily Rose, at some point.
She always does that so she can probably think a little bit of a better excuse or remembering all her fucking lies.
Had a crush on a, you know.
Objection, hearsay, and lack of foundation.
It went back to being wonderful. there were these moments that just felt so wonderful.
Objection, Your Honor, non-responsive.
You employed a woman named Kate James, is that correct?
Objection, leading.
And why is that?
She was,
English, motherfucker, do you speak it?
Your Honor, I'm going to object on hearsay grounds. It's still hearsay.
Your Honor, I'm going to move the admission of Defendant's Exhibit 209. Business records exception.
Still hearsay, Your Honor.
I don't agree. I think that's the point that hearsay can...
You want to approach? Oh my fucking god.
What, if any, communications did you have with Kate James about your issues with Mr. Depp?
Objection, hearsay.
Your Honor, Ms. James has testified.
I'll sustain the objection.
All right, we can take that down, Michelle.
There was the robot stare.
I thought it's, I would have forgotten about the extent that we had those conversations early on in the engagement if it hadn't have been for my therapist's notes.
I'm sorry, if it hadn't been for your what?
If it hadn't been for my therapist's notes, which were taken at the time when I was talking to her about this and my conversations with
Objection, hearsay.
Okay.
I'll sustain the objection.
We'll move on. Okay.
Came down at the end when we were leaving, and came down once because he was at the time sharing drugs with my dad.
Objection. Speculation. Lack of foundation.
How do you know that he was sharing drugs with your dad?
I was there. I watched it.
Please continue.
My dad.
She wasn't there. I like how that was so obvious. She wasn't there.
How do you know that?
They told me.
Hearsay.
Sustain the objection.
Could you please tell the jury what a Met Gala is and what's involved in that?
Objection, compound.
He thought I was looking at this woman in a sexual way, and I kind of turned it around on him and said that exactly.
Objection, hearsay.
It's context, Your Honor. This is context.
I'll sustain the objection.
Okay. Just say what
roasted.
You said then. I guess you can't tell us what you said to him.
Okay. And Johnny shoves me and kind of grabs me by the collarbone area, like not really my neck, but top of my neck, above my collarbone, below my neck. And I feel this boot in my back. He just kicked me in the back. I fell to the floor. I caught myself on the floor, and I just felt like I was looking at the floor of the plane for felt like a long time. Jury, judge, security, and my friend both kind of under their breath asked me, "Are you okay?"
Objection, hearsay.
I spent the rest of the time looking out of the window.
Sustain the objection.
And
Objection, non-responsive.
And if
calls for speculation.
He would not remember what he had done.
Calls for speculation.
How would you know? Exactly. I think I'm in love. She knows what she. Hey, that is a good lawyer. I've also saw like people like photoshopping her on like
Your Honor,
I think Thor's body or
bleeding.
Basically I've been seeing some stuff about her being basically a real superhero.
Your best friend, is that correct?
That's correct.
Objection, hearsay.
Did you text your mother and your father about this incident?
Objection, hearsay.
What, if any, communication did you have with your
Is this going to end with that one moment that I saw on Twitter going around where she walks out without letting, like, technically it's
What, if
technically you're not
any,
supposed to walk out of the court until the jury
communications
leaves.
did you
And
have
she just
with
said,
Kate
"Fuck you all,
James
I'm out."
Following the Boston plane incident.
Objection.
I think it's
hearsay.
against the law or something.
Your Honor,
You can get
if you
in
go
big
to
trouble for doing it.
224,
Okay. I read.
Wait, what was that?
If we go to 224,
Objection. Hearsay.
Your Honor, if we go to 224,
Okay. I reached out to
Angry slam.
friends and family, asked for support.
Objection. Hearsay.
Sustained.
mental condition.
It doesn't. It's still hearsay, Your Honor. May we approach?
I'm going to ask you to turn now to 228.
Wait, is that one
It's
scene
still
everyone
hearsay,
was
Your Honor.
talking about where she took a picture while...
Mental condition.
It doesn't. It's still hearsay, Your Honor. May we approach?
I'm going to ask you to turn now to 228.
Your Honor, we're going to object on hearsay.
First line, Your Honor.
Okay.
Is all I understand in Your Honor's ruling, but I think
You know, on the plane, I was so careful.
So many
Objection.
denies.
Non-responsive.
what, if any, communications did you have with Stephen Duders?
Objection. Hearsay.
Duders,
What, if any,
that's a last name. Oh god.
communication were you having with him following the Boston plane incident?
Objection. Hearsay. May we approach?
All right. I thought I had effectively.
Objection, Your Honor. Non-responsive. Objection. Hearsay, Your Honor.
What's in the email?
That calls for hearsay, Your Honor.
And then when he finished filming, the plan was to do
Objection,
the
Your
full
Honor.
detox.
Hearsay. And lack of foundation.
I was involved in the conversations
Please
with the doctors and with his sister.
Objection,
And
Your Honor.
there's-
That's still hearsay.
All right, I'll sustain the objection.
That part is. So
That part is.
They put Johnny on a bunch of new medications, which they shared with me, told me about.
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
This is like such great karma. I love
Objection, Your
this.
Honor. Hearsay.
was this
No, I
your
saw,
observation?
I saw it.
Okay, overruled.
Thank you.
At one point in our conversations, I told him about how,
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
you know, we're on an island. I'm trying to take care of him, and he was hallucinating. And
Objection, Your Honor. Non-responsive.
I hadn't said anything. I would tell him, Johnny,
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Well, I think in the context, Your Honor, it's not offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted. Did you have communications with...
Yeah, that's the
Mr.
pose
Depp
time.
about
Yep.
auditioning
The moment
for
that someone took a picture, so she held the fucking tissue
Objection,
there.
Your Honor. I'm going to object to the exhibit as hearsay.
Oh wait, I think this is it. This looks familiar. I think I saw this on Twitter. Oh, never mind. This is the other one.
I don't see him anymore. I don't see him anymore. It wasn't him. It was black.
What the fuck? Okay. That was a weird way to end it. But you know what? That's how we're going to end it today. If there's other clips or other videos you guys want me to check out when it comes to the Johnny Depp, Amber Turd court stuff, let me know down below in the comments. Of course, I know this upcoming Monday, which is tomorrow, I'm going to try to post this Sunday, is supposed to be, I think, the final 8 hours of Amber's team's stuff. Like, apparently this Monday is the last one that they can do shit, but there's still more hours for Johnny's team because they've been using less hours than them. It's going to be interesting. I'm looking forward to more. And of course, if there's anything pretty like holy fuck shit you guys want me to know about, of grab the link to the video and post it down below, or post it in my reaction ideas section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, later.
This is the Prince of the motherfucking Saiyans, and I am ordering you to subscribe to Steven Z Killer!